कोरोना महामारीच्या वट्ट 2 वर्सां उपरांत पर्यटन हंगामाचे पयले चार्टर विमान कझाकिस्तानांतल्यान 180 प्रवाशांक घेवन मंगळारा गोंयांत दाखल जाले। येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन आंतरराष्ट्रीय पर्यटकांचे आगमन जाले उपरांत तांकां येवकार दिलो। आमी कझाकिस्तान आनी मॉस्कोच्यान दर सप्तकांतल्यान 4 ते 5 विमानां लँड जातलीं अशी अपेक्षा करतात। विजाच्यो समस्या बेगीनूच सुटाव्यो जातल्यो। यूकेच्यानूय ह्या पर्यटन हंगामात पर्यटक येतले अशें येरादारी मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन सांगले। तशेंच दाबोळी विमानतळ सुरूच उरतलो अशेंय उतर गुदिनोन ह्या वेळार दिलें। आंतरराष्ट्रीय पर्यटक गोंयांत दाखल जाल्ल्या कारणान फाटलीं 2 वर्सां कोरोना महामारीक लागून बंद आशिल्ल्या धाकट्या हॉटेलांचो आतां वेवसाय सुरू जातलो अशी आस्त आसा।
I'm very happy that the first charter flight from Kazakhstan has landed, and very soon from November 3rd I think Aeroflot is going to get flights from Russia. Thereafter we are going to have flights from UK as well. The issue as far as e-visas are concerned is being sorted out very shortly, so you will have even more flights coming from elsewhere. So charter flights are going to have become a reality from today. I was very happy to welcome the first passengers because Dabolim being my constituency, I have a special affection for Dabolim naturally, and I can assure one thing, for all those propagandists and ads against Dabolim or spreading propaganda for those spreading that Dabolim will close, it is not the case at all.
The first flight landed in Goa today with 180 passengers. The flight is from Kazakhstan, and this is the first flight after the pandemic, the post-pandemic, and everybody are excited, including all the suppliers of Goa, the hotels, the tour operators, all the vendors. Everybody are excited because of after a 2-year-long gap. The first flight is landed today, and we will be having approximately 4 flighs or to 5 flights a week into Goa from Kazakhstan as well as from Moscow included, and together we would do around approximately 120 flights this particular season.